Oh boy, I can't wait to eat my ramen.
冰淇淋
Yep, that's me.
Your car's a mess, chowder spilled on your dress, you're extremely depressed, but who would have guessed that the solution to your distress, which honestly couldn't cost less, is the handy-dandy Octopress!
Take the baby!
We've all been there, accidentally spilling our food on the drive home, or food spilling itself, which is why we all need an Octopress. With it installed, your containers won't even leak. It can even be adjusted to work on any soup container, thanks to its extendable belt and movable loops. Both installation and disassembly are very easy, allowing you to casually apply the device for quick and convenient security. With tough build quality to maximize durability and a small profile, the Octopress can fit inside your purse, glove compartment, and that other bin between the front seats of your car, and endure being carelessly buried under all your other things without breaking. With the Octopress, you can turn any unreliable container into a mighty stronghold for your food. Essentially, the Octopress uses rubber bands to pull down the lid to the point where you can't unintentionally pull it off. The magic behind the Octopress is the strength of these 8 rubber bands. To apply the Octopress, wrap the Velcro around the middle area of the container, set the belt loops directly below their corresponding hooks on the top piece, and stretch the bands over the hooks. With a snug fit, the bands of the Octopress pull the top piece down on the lid, preventing it from coming off. The Octopress is truly in a class of its own, with both the stretch of cling wrap, the seal of tape, and the durability of a twist top container. This small device is a portable lock for any of your liquid leftovers. And while the twist top container may be the easy answer to having a reliable and reusable takeout container, it's an awkward thing to carry around. With the Octopress, you can also look cool with this more practical solution, which you can get your hands on for only $10. Remember folks, the next time you encounter a liquidy mess, remember that you can prevent it with the Octopress.